Okay, so my flowers over here look tired, like fall is coming, but they're still there. Still there, still there. And then something is literally like either eating or tearing out the flowers in like a probably getting to be about 5 foot long spot here now. And I came, like there was petunias connecting here. I came out this morning and there's pieces of petunias like actually drug out of there. And there's pieces in there. And they ate the grassy textured stuff that was right here or ripped it out. Like what kind of freaking animal would like just rip everything out of this whole entire area, and it keeps getting more like every day. Other than the salvia, because that's taller. And then we just go back to kind of normal here. Like, is it rabbits? We definitely have way too many rabbits in this area, but I have never really seen them just clear out an entire area like that. It's weird. And there's probably more broken off pieces right here. Getting really annoyed, but I mean, I guess fall is coming anyway, but I don't want my flower bed prematurely like stripped of everything. It's just bizarre. Very crabby this morning finding this. And I want to know what is going on here. This is like the stuff that was growing in there. It's some kind of Tradescantia stuff that flowers in spring, and it looks kind of drying out, but like that was also growing in that spot, and it's just completely gone without a trace of it over here. So it's very bizarre.